Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and since I've been baking so much this month, I figured I'd share with you guys some baking hacks. Now, if you guys like hack videos, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first hack is with brown sugar. I don't know about you, but whenever I try to use my brown sugar, there's always these little lumps in it, and it's really hard. So what I've found to be useful is just popping a bowl of brown sugar into the microwave and then using a spoon to kind of smash up those lumps. Really easy to do, and that way when you try to mix it into your butter mixture or anything like that, it's nice and smooth. And this really helps when you bake. Alright, this next hack I've already shared with you guys in my pecan cranberry brownie video, and I cannot believe I haven't been doing it the whole time. But it's basically just lining all your baking pans with aluminum foil. This makes it so much easier to pick up the entire cake or brownie or whatever you're making in one sweep and then cutting them into perfect square pieces. I still can't believe that I haven't been doing this the whole time. It makes cleanup so much easier and you really do get those perfect squares. Alright, this next hack would have been so useful to know when I was making hundreds and hundreds of meringue cookies as wedding favors. But it is how to have room temperature eggs in minutes. All you do is just place your eggs in some warm water, let it sit for a few minutes, and just like that, you have room temperature eggs to use in your recipes. Alright, this next hack is a little bit more involved, but I promise you once you get the hang of it, it will fast become your absolute favorite. All you do for this hack is lay out a piece of saran wrap, put all your frosting right in the middle, and then you wrap your saran wrap around the frosting. Then you twirl the ends so that you have a nice long piece at the end that you can then thread through a piping bag that's fitted with a tip. You go ahead and take that piece that's sticking out of the tip, the saran wrap piece, and cut it off. That way, now you can easily go ahead and pipe your frosting. Now, when you're done with your decorating and your piping, all you do is take out that saran wrap, and just like that, you have a clean piping bag, and the only part you need to wash is the tip. This also saves you the hassle of going in and filling your piping bag with frosting, and once the frosting is done, go ahead and refilling it. Don't have to do any of that, you just put in a new saran wrap that's filled in with your frosting. Alright, there you guys go. Those are some of my favorite hacks that I've been using all month long. I hope you give some of them a try, and if you have any that you love that you want to share, go ahead and leave it in the comments section below. If you guys like these types of videos, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.